What if we misdiagnosed the original problem? Treated the symptom rather than the disease? Then the disease is still out there. Abernathy and Walter were exhibiting other aberrancies beyond memory recall of previous builds. They were hearing voices, talking to someone.
I have to warn her. Warn who? Dolores.
I can't hear you.
Do you see that?
Yeah, they deserved it.
He's talking to someone.
Sons of bitches.
He carries on practically an entire conversation.
I need more milk, Arnold.
Who's Arnold?
Here. For your troubles.